Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi network not working on your smart TV. So we're going to follow these steps. First and foremost, on your smart TV, head over to your settings. So my settings icon is over here. Quickly tap on settings, then come to networks. Okay, as you can see, you have options here. Select networks. So as you can see, you have options of network mode and then wireless. So quickly choose the network mode. Once you choose the network mode, now choose the Wi-Fi itself. As you can see, mine is connected to Wi-Fi called Augustine. So if yours is not working, you have few steps. Go ahead and click on it and then tap forget. Once you tap forget, go ahead and then click on it once again and again connect using the new password. Once you do that, guys, you'll have fixed your Wi-Fi network not working on your smart TV. So thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today. We shall meet in the next video once again.